Hello, everybody. I'm Ahmed Lebad, and today we are talking about BIM for tower companies. I'm a civil design manager for telecommunication. I'm using CAD and BIM product over the past 17 years. I'm ISO certified 19650 from Pre and Obrim Academy. I'm certified professional and associate from Autodesk in Revit Architectural since 2012. I'm also authorized trainer from Autodesk and give a lot of training for individuals and enable the companies to start digital transformation and applying BIM concept. I'm a BIM certified from PMI, and I work as a project manager for a lot of projects all over MEA area. Before we start deep dive in our presentation, I want to let you know what is tower, GSM tower, and what is its importance for telecommunication network. GSM tower is the backbone for any telecommunication network, and we cannot imagine the world without GSM tower and telecommunication, as GSM is a physical infrastructure that support mobile communication, which we are using in our daily work, and even our presentation today cannot be done virtually without telecommunication network, which allow us to communicate, work remotely together, and stay informed no matter where we are. So for any design, we have three main pillars, which we are trying to achieve, which is safety, function, and economic. This design process for telecommunication tower start for 4 stages, main stages, which is site survey, then design preparation, then design approval, then archiving the data for future use or for implementation or even for acceptance of the site. So this design, as we said, contain 4 main reasons, 4 main process. The first process, which is survey, and nowadays our classic way to do this, to drive to the site with survey team, and the riggers start climbing the towers and measure, make measurements and take some photos by cameras and mobiles and make manual checklist and sketches, which could be challenging for some remote area and some accessibility, as we are going to illustrate in next slides. What's the benefits of the digital transformation and why we need to enhance this? After we collect this manual data, our design engineers on the office start analyzing this data and produce CAD drawing and analyzes the data using tower and power software or spreadsheets to calculate the tower and power safety. Then produce the final 2D drawings and some PDF document. Actually, this data could be challenging also for a lot of sites, and to coordinate this data together, it's sometimes very challenging and hard for the larger project. Imagine that you have thousands of towers and need to upgrade it with 5G. With this method could be challenging. So it's lead us to the main question in our presentation today: why building information modeling and digital transformation for GSM tower? As we said, we have dynamic change nowadays we are applying 5G, and 6G is knocking the door for next upcoming years. So we should have a methodology and digital transformation program end to end, which could support in this journey and could enhance our performance. By applying digital transformation, we could enhance not only the design stage, which is tower inspection, survey, and design, but we could extend it for implementation and applying AR and remote supervision. And also when accepting and hand over the site to operation and maintenance, we could apply remote digital acceptance, which will lead definitely for better asset management, as we will illustrate in next slides. First stage, as we said, it's survey. So our concept for digital survey, we could digitalize it using drones or laser scanning or walk-through 360 scanning. This will lead definitely for better outcome, which is 360 model, point cloud models, and AI recognition and digital measurements, which we illustrated, will be illustrated in the next slides, and see what benefits of each of us. First thing, which is drones, which our major concept of digital survey. Drones, as we see in classic way, we should drive through to the site. For drones, you could apply it and access inaccessible area. No need to drive the site if you have a drone center, and this could enhance the safety of the human being from climbing the tower and increasing the capacity and speed. By if you have drone army, you should increase the capacity and the speed of collection of the data, which definitely lead at autonomous data collection on the time. No need to collect the data, then upload it, then send it. You through the design center or operation center of the drones, or even manually from the site, it could lead a better experience with our survey. Also, drones could support AI recognition, which we will be see at asset management stage. Sometimes drones are restricted in some area due to accessibility or restricted area. So we could apply laser scanning technique. Laser scanning give us accurate point cloud model, which enhance our as-built experience and get accurate data of existing tower, which also support digital twin concept due to during asset management stage, and also even during design stage. When you have correct as-built and measurements, you could enhance our experience with accurate data and avoid any mismatch between the site and the design. Even when apply 360 technique, we could navigate, as we see in the site, easily and get information inside cabinet, and we could take measurements digitally. No need to record it in any sketches, and you could go to a better view of equipment and get the right information. This could reduce the revisit of the site. The classic way, as we said, we should visit the site and collect the data, but as you have 360 model, whatever missing, you could navigate it here and there without additional visit to the site, delaying the time and lead additional cost. As we collect this more enhanced digital survey data, for sure we should apply technique, get benefit of this, which in our case is BIM. As all of us know, BIM give us improved design and the planning. Instead of you have 2D drawing, you will have 3D view. So it's better visualization, which increase decision making and make it easy where to put our antenna and accurate azimuth of the antenna, and you could detect any clashes with existing antenna or even mounts. This could be sometimes in 2D drawings challenging, and also it's enhanced collaboration and communication among the team member. Imagine you have two project running in the same time for two operators in the same tower, and you need to apply one antenna here and one antenna there. Daily, we are facing this for lack of communication using CAD. You could found two operator using the same mount, and it's lead a problem during implementation on the site. So with BIM, such mistake could be killed, which will enhance decision making. As we said, our data analysis will be enhanced, and after that, it will lead better implementation and then better asset management, because you will collect all the data as we will illustrate it in next slides. That with BIM, you could collect all the data in one model, which will enhance asset management stage performance. Also, when you applying BIM, you could apply augmented reality during implementation to check the new location of antenna. Is it in the same location and match it to the site before implementing using the data from BIM models. Also, we could apply remote supervision through video live streaming and central data center with engineers who supervise from the office instead of drive to the site. This could apply digital acceptance of the site. You will have updated BIM model and remote acceptance and video acceptance from the center of engineers, which supervise and accepting the sites. Then we could apply any changes which is accepted during the site monitoring and apply it to, again, our BIM model. Like that, we will have again updated BIM model. This process will kill a lot of options and scenarios we are facing daily, which you have some design data using CAD and it's not matching to what actually built on the site because we don't have full digital transformation. By applying full digital transformation, at the end you will have updated BIM model matching to the existing site, will enhance asset management during operation and maintenance, because you will apply digital twin concept. You have digital model, digital BIM model matching to the actual what implemented on the site. And even we could apply periodic digital survey using drones or sensor or IoT devices. As we said in the drone slides, drones could also allow us to make photo recognition by AI tools, which could apply in this stage corrosion of any structure, any missing member, any dust on our solar panels, etc. So when applying this, we will have better asset management and full control of our management, reducing any risk could affect our towers, any outage. So as a conclusion, digital transformation is and applying BIM technique is very important nowadays with increasing the demanding and as we said, 5G is widely spread and 6G coming. So it will be cost efficiency. Maybe you will have a higher cost in startup, but if we calculate the return of investment over the time, it will give us better asset management and reduce any delays and outage, and give our clients from operators better experience and avoid any service drop, which is very important nowadays. I hope my idea shared with you. I'll keep the next 10 minutes for any discussion or feedback or question. Thank you for your patience and thank you for time to attend my session. And I'm happy to be with you today. Thank you and hope to connect even in the future. See you there.